We're diving into one of the most exciting trends in our market, new construction. From the very first look, the home commands attention with its striking architectural and timeless brick facade. Step inside and you're greeted by soaring ceilings and a sweeping staircase that curves with elegance, setting the tone for what's to come. The standard layout features 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, with the primary suite thoughtfully placed on the main floor for privacy and convenience. Living space range from approximately 3,102 to 3,671 square feet, offering room to grow, entertain, and thrive. The formal dining room sets the stage for memorable gatherings, flowing seamlessly into the heart of the home, the grand kitchen. Here, an oversized island takes center stage, surrounded by custom cabinetry and sleek, modern appliances. Just beyond, the casual dining area and family room create a bright, open space designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. The living room rises as the true centerpiece of the home. High ceilings elevate the atmosphere, while the open design connects seamlessly to the kitchen and dining spaces, perfect for hosting or relaxing. The Grand Master Suite offers tranquility and scale. An optional window seat frames views of the backyard, while the spa-inspired bath delivers pure indulgence with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and guess what? A walk-in shower. A secondary bedroom provides comfort and flexibility. It can serve as a nursery, guest suite, or dedicated study. This plan is built to evolve with your lifestyle. Upstairs, a large game room anchors the second floor, inviting connection, creativity, and play. Outdoors, a covered patio expands your living space. Morning coffee, evening dinners, or weekend lounging, all framed by a backdrop of community green spaces. But what truly amplifies the lifestyle here in this neighborhood itself, tree-lined trails, family parks, stocked ponds, and resort-style pool ensures that life here is more than just what happens inside the home. It's about the connections and moments shared just outside your door. And speaking of community, Midlothian ISD is one of the area's most respected school districts, known for its commitment to academic excellence, character development, and innovative programs. With schools like Midlothian Heritage High School and Long Branch Elementary, families can feel comfortable in the quality of education and the nurturing environment their children will experience. Now, for shopping and dining, downtown Midlothian offers a charming mix of boutique shops and locally loved restaurants. From handcrafted gifts to cozy cafes, it's a walkable destination that brings small town warmth with big city flair. Looking for things to do? Midlothian is full of hidden gems. Explore Mockingbird Nature Park for hiking and bird watching. Enjoy a round of pecan tree golf course, or take the family to Hawkins Spring Park for picnics and play. The city also hosts seasonal events like Fall Festival, Holiday Lights Up Parade, and a vibrant farmers market that brings the community together year-round. So whether you're buying, selling, or simply dreaming, this home and this community offers more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle, a legacy, and a launch pad for what's next. Thank you for joining me on Property Spotlight Monday. I'm again Yolanda Westmoreland, and I'll see you next week with more homes, more strategy, and more ways to protect what matters.